Right now, we are still being bombarded with a huge amount of information about the COVID-19 vaccines. However, in such a hotly debated topic, we should be aware that some of this information we hear or read could be misleading, or just plain false. And when it comes to our health, misleading and false information can be dangerous. We should not believe everything we read. So how do we know what to believe? And how can we tell what is reliable and what is not? The best approach is to get our information from trusted sources. That way we know the information we get and perhaps share later on is helpful, not harmful. Be a responsible person and do not take part in spreading fake news about the ongoing pandemic. Authorities are taking a hard line, and rightfully so, in order to stop the misinformation on the fight against the pandemic, like this recent report from Malaysia.
Housewife fined ringgit Malaysia 12,000 for spreading fake news on vaccines. Malaysian News Report Monday, September 6, 2021. A housewife was fined ringgit Malaysia 12,000 equivalent to $2,900 in default of 6 months jail by the Sessions Court in Kuala Lumpur today for spreading fake news about vaccines on Facebook. Judge RM12 sentenced the 46-year-old housewife, after she pleaded guilty to spreading the news through a video posted on the social networking site. She admitted to spreading the video with the intention of causing alarm among the public through a Facebook account at 11:44 p.m. on May 25, 2021. The charge was framed under Section 4(1) of the Emergency, Essential Powers, No. 2, Ordinance 2021, which carries a maximum fine of ringgit Malaysia 100,000 equivalent to $24,000, a maximum jail term of 3 years, or both. Prior to the sentencing, Judge Edwin said the offence committed by the accused was likely to cause public disorder as well as to hamper the Malaysian government's efforts in the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. The offence was committed at a time when the government was trying its best to implement a comprehensive vaccination program to stop the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic, the judge said. The housewife, who was unrepresented, pleaded for a lenient sentence on the grounds that she was unemployed and did not intend for the video to go viral. "I plead guilty. In this case, my intention was simply to get the comments of my friends and for them to give their opinions on the video," she said. Federal Territory of Kuala Lumpur Prosecution Director Kalmiza Soleh urged the court to mete out a deterrent sentence, as such actions could cause public alarm at a time when a country is still at war with the pandemic.